We just released this morning a video titled No Knead Sourdough Pizza. We used a recipe from Patrick Ryan at I Love Cooking Ireland, and Lori's going to show you how it's made.
So I already have 500 grams of bread flour in this bowl, and to that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 50 grams of semolina flour, and just to increase the softness of the dough, we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of instant dry yeast, and we're going to mix to combine. So to that, we're adding 200 grams of sourdough starter, which I fed last night. It's pretty active, but it's already collapsed for the day, I guess. So now I'm going to measure out my starter. So I want to add 200 grams. I'm just going to pour it in. It doesn't have to be that precise on the starter. That's about it. And then I'm going to add 325 grams of water. And for some added richness and flavor, 50 grams of olive oil. So I'm just going to mix to combine. And it just really is such a fast dough to put together. You don't need to auto-lease, wait for it to hydrate or anything. Just mix the wet and dry ingredients together. So at this it's a pretty wet dough, about 65% hydration, for those that are interested in that.
So is it still kind of a shaggy ball kind of concept?
Yeah, it's a shaggy ball concept. If you were at making a traditional dough, I guess you would say shaggy ball.
Shaggy ball. And we used this dough last night for our pizza, and it really worked out well, easy to work with, and cooked really nice.
So at this point, after the ingredients are combined, you just take your plastic wrap, cover it, and put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours.
Now, how easy is that?
Yep. So we'll see you back in 24 hours.
Actually, you probably won't see us back in 24 hours, but you'll see us using this dough soon, and we'll let you know that it's off of this batch.
Yeah.
So till next time.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.